Sneak peek for next video. Let me roll these babies out. Yeah. Got the Supermotos. So stay tuned. They're coming on there. What's up, Motoville posse? I went dirt bike riding the other day and my bike is filthy, completely covered, so I'm gonna go wash it off and then we're gonna do an oil change, routine maintenance, you know. Let's see how she starts. She's cold. I didn't choke it. I don't even know if there's a choke. I swear there's a choke because this thing does not like firing up like that. Where is it though? Fuck it, we're gonna fire her up. It sounded a little funny, and I'm just warming it up right now to do an oil change, but I knew I needed an oil change. It just sounds a little funny to me. All right, I'm about to run up to the car wash, spray it off. Bike's dirty as shit. I'm riding a little hot right now, but I didn't feel like busting the power washer out at my house. It smells hot right now. I know I just revved it up, but damn, I'm ready for an oil change. This baby's ready. Hope this janky ass machine takes my dollars. It does pretty good for me though. This is the car wash I come to quite a bit. We made this bay pretty dirty. Ooh, she dirty. Some 1040 Omni lube. Let's see what else we got in here. Don't need much for this. All right, she's all warmed up. You gotta take out this drain bolt there. This fucker's on there tight. All right, we finally got it to break. Don't look bad. You're gonna want to tilt the bike upright. So it can all drain out. Don't let it just rest on the kickstand. You want to set it upright so all that oil gets out of there. All right, while this finishes draining right here, getting the last of the oil out, I'm gonna go ahead and take this cover off right here so I can get to the oil filter and change the oil filter at the same time. All these bolts here are different sizes, so I got them loose, but I want to keep them in this so I know where they go when I go to put it back on. You might want to clean this off if it's real dirty. I literally just sprayed mine off, and it's you get up under the cover, you find some dirt still. You want to wipe that off so when you go to take this filter off here, that dirt doesn't get in there. When you get it off, you got a long bolt and a short bolt. The long bolt goes in the bottom here, and that shorter one there. Trying to not lose the spring in the back of here. Bam. A lot of people get new O-rings to put on these when they go to put them back in there, but I'm just gonna use the ones that are still on there. They're still good, they still look good, they're not ripped, teared, worn, or anything like that. Got this new filter right here. You wanna clean this out, make sure you don't got no dirt, debris that'll get in there when you go to tighten it back up. Make sure you got a somewhat clean rag so you're not getting it dirty while doing this. See, the O-ring's still in great shape. Put this back on here. Make sure that spring don't fall out when you're putting it back in. Remember, put that short bolt up top. The longer one goes in the bottom. Put your cover back on. Once she's all drained out, put your drain plug back in there. Clean it off, make sure it's not all dirty. It's getting kind of dark in here, my apologies. But take out the dipstick. So that's where you're gonna fill in the oil. Clean the area around it again. Wipe it, make sure there ain't gonna be no dirt getting in there. Very nice. Get yourself a funnel. I don't know exactly how much oil this takes. I know it's a little over a liter. I'm gonna start with a liter, or maybe a little bit more than a liter, and go from there by checking the dipstick. All right, it took a little over a liter of oil. When you check it with a dipstick, make sure it's standing up straight. You know, don't have it leaning on the kickstand. But we should be good to fire her up. She sounds happy. She sounds real happy. Oh yeah. Alright, posse, that's it for this video. She got her oil in there. She's running real good.